Anxiety feels like danger, but it's unused survival energy. Your body prepares for action. Heart rate rises, muscles tighten, but the mind freezes. Energy builds without release. Thinking tries to control it, but thinking keeps it active. Your brain searches for more threat, and anxiety grows. Movement changes the signal. Action tells the brain, response complete. Energy gets used. Arousal drops. Anxiety shrinks after movement, not after analysis. Small motion is enough. Stand up. Walk. Breathe slower. The body resolves what the mind cannot. Move first. Calm follows. Follow for more psychology.